The egg prices in the United States have now surged to a record high, up 5.9% from the previous month. While the pace of increase has slowed down, eggs remain a major driver of food inflation and also a major contention point between President Donald Trump and the Fed Chair Jerome Powell. The spike has been largely attributed to an outbreak of avian flu, which severely has disrupted egg-laying hen populations. Now, eggs are in high demand over the Jewish holiday of Passover, which starts on Saturday, and Easter, held on the 20th of April this year. However, the U.S. Department of Agriculture has reported that bird flu cases are now declining, improving the supply and helping bring down the wholesale prices. Now, Trump has addressed the egg price issue during his 5th of April Rose Garden event, claiming that a 59% drop in egg prices since his administration's intervention. And he's credited the Agriculture Secretary, Brooke Rollins, for the turnaround, stating that now we have lots of eggs and they are also much cheaper. Now, despite the claimed drop in wholesale prices, retail costs remain elevated due to the lagging price adjustments by stores. Meanwhile, overall consumer prices have risen by nearly 2.4% in March year-over-year, aided by a drop in gasoline prices. The core inflation, excluding food and energy, has climbed to 2.8%, which is its lowest rate since March 2021. The broader economic picture still remains pretty mixed. President Trump recently paused new reciprocal tariffs for 90 days, but has increased duties on Chinese goods to 145% in response to the Chinese tariff hikes. The economists warn that these tariffs could in fact drive up consumer prices and also dampen the business activity. The Federal Reserve has held off on interest rate cuts, with Chair Jerome Powell citing uncertainty tied to new trade policies. Still, the markets are now pricing in up to 4 rate cuts this year, and Treasury yields have fallen, signaling recession concerns. And this comes even as hiring remains pretty strong and unemployment is historically low.
The soaring egg prices have raised questions about price gouging, and the Department of Justice is investigating. The biggest egg producers have recorded huge profits because of the high prices. Earlier this week, Cal-Maine Foods, which is the nation's largest egg producer, said its quarterly profit more than tripled. Experts expect egg prices will decline more after Easter when demand slows down, and supply will improve as farmers get more chickens back onto their farms.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.